Alright guys, sorry for not really recording too much for a while. People probably been wondering where the hell you been, etc, etc. I've just been busy trying to get a bunch of other stuff done. But we're here at the BMW. Top seems to be okay besides all the bullshit rain, and we're gonna finally start to get working on it. So I do need yeah, there's no rain or anything in here. Oh, those seat tracks looks terrible though. See these? Look at these tracks, right? I got stuff to deal with that. Anyway, point is, the reason I've been waiting on it, I was waiting on starter. Buddy apparently had the paperwork for the starter. I got tired of waiting. I bought a new starter. So, but I didn't buy a new one. I got one from AutoZone or O'Reilly's, and yeah. So here's what we gotta do. I got to get the old one off, which it looks like it's not threaded. I may not need those things I thought I needed, but I want to replace the fuel lines. So there's a line here, there's another line that I don't know where the hell it went. Oh, it's right here actually. Is it 3/8? I have no idea what size line this actually is, but we're gonna go get new lines. I got new clamps and everything from work, so once we do that, we should be good to go. It's weird. This thing had like it looked like it had a regular fan on it, and now it looks like there's an electric fan wired up to it. That's weird. What the hell? Sorry, my GoPro's like acting up. Got a new gasket for here, other spots, and we're really just gonna dive in, try to get this shit cleaned up, and go from there. I'm really wondering, because the more I look at it, the more I'm wondering if he really did get a starter for this, because it looks pretty old. I mean, some of the bolts look newish, but I don't know. Oh well, we're here. We're gonna get this done. Got a couple other things down there to replace, knock sensors, other connectors, etc, etc. So figured might as well get all of that. Unfortunately, I forgot to grab the diagram for the squid, which is this. So hopefully I get lucky and I didn't mess up. But I should be able to follow that, no problem. Alright, so let me pause this because this battery's about to die and I need to go get some more hoses because it looks like it's gonna rain again. I'm trying to beat the rain. It's been raining here for the past literal week, so I haven't really wanted to work on the car because I don't like being rained on when I'm doing stuff. So, be right back. Alright, I'm back. I just went to advance to just pick up about a foot or so, which I'm going to cut the length. But, alright, back to the BMW. Alright, we're back. You can see the BMW right there. So, just to show you guys, look at all the shit I got. So, I got, how many boxes is that? I got a bunch of shit. We got 4 boxes from Rockauto. 1, 2, oh, sorry, 3, 4. Oh, hold on. 4 boxes from Rockauto. I have some parts from BMW. This is the spark plug hole cover, and I forget what hose that is, but and then the last thing, start. So, oh, can't forget the fuel line too, but I'm not going to count the fuel lines as boxes. It's not in there, but all in total. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes with a bunch of miscellaneous other parts that we're gonna need. So, all right. Oh shit! Almost just crushed the can. I sprayed the seats off. I'm gonna try to let that stuff sit in there for a while. See if I can break it loose once I'm done. Because honestly, I probably should have grabbed a vacuum on. fucked up. Definitely should have grabbed some vacuum line for the fuel pressure regulator, but oh well. Yeah. We're going to go ahead and just start taking stuff apart and cleaning up and try to see if we can get this thing back on the road, because I'm not gonna lie. Now, like I said, I haven't heard this thing start, so that's one thing I'm cautious of. The motor did, however, seem to turn over. So, but let's see what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna put you guys down. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what all we got. All right, so good news, I just opened the well, I grabbed my socket. Motor, of course, turns over perfectly fine. No real issues there. So let's open up box number 1. Let's see, that came in. I can't remember if they send you a magnet or what. I mean, not magnet, you know, little magnet stuff. Let's see what we got here. Oh, my valve cover stuff. So that's a valve cover. I don't know what's in these boxes. So we got valve cover. These look like I think that's PVC hose. I think that's one of the coolant hoses. Put that back in there. Let me see what's in here. Give me 1 second. Oh, knock sensors. So these are the knock sensors, which, what the hell? Oh no. You gotta be kidding me, man. Fuck. Damn it. They fucked me. These are knock sensors, which are supposed to work, right? The car has 2-pin connectors, and these are 3-pin. So, actually, I might be wrong. Stand by. Is there one that goes there? Because there's another 3-pin connector somewhere. Hold on real quick. I could have sworn these were... No, okay, I'm good. Bro, I was tripping bad. Like, y'all don't know how I was about to be so mad. No? What the hell? So, one of them is... Oh my god. Yeah, I'm upset. I'm really upset. So, the crank position sensor and something else is 3-pin. This is supposed to be the knock sensor down there, but my knock sensor is 2-pin. Oh shit. Let me not. I'm tracking whatever it is. I got packing material going there. Damn, I knew I should have opened the box. Oh well, we're gonna have to probably need to make a box full of returns and shit, because that sucks. Of course, that's what happens when you don't check part numbers. Actually, I don't know what happened. I guess that was just Rockauto being Rockauto. I got the OE BMW part numbers, and of course I tried to save some money, and of course they're wrong. So, thing is, I know how to pull the intake off now, so it is what it is. We're gonna see if this is possibly wrong or correct. We'll go from there. Okay. I think that's brake booster hose right there. I don't know what hose this is. Let me see. Is it? Oh, it's that hose. Okay. Is it? I don't know. I think so. Yeah, I think it's that one. All right. Well, these seem okay. What's this? manifold gasket. Oh, they gave me a magnet. Student baker. And this is that plastic, this piece right here, because I figured I might as well replace that. I am really upset though about that. Damn, bro. These are intake gaskets, so we're good on that. I know those are right. So pretty much, I think the only thing so far that's messed up is the, pretty much the only thing I think that's messed up is the, knock sensors. So, somehow I got 3 pins. Let's see here. Oh, I got another one. Dawson truck. And yeah, I do have you guys laying kind of on the frame rail or on the fender, but I don't really have a good place to put you guys. Honestly, I'm kind of upset that one got messed up because now I don't want to have to redo this job. Like, I really want to get this thing back on the road. And this really sucks because this is literally the only thing I really wanted right now. Just to make sure this car runs and drives perfectly fine. And the knock sensors being messed up sucks. But at least I don't have to redo all the cooling stuff. It looks like some of the cooling stuff was done before, but I'm just gonna redo it. Oh, yeah. Alright, that's what happens when you don't pay attention when you're taking stuff apart, but it's all good. We're gonna get everything taken care of. I'm not gonna pause the video, but this is what I was butthurt, but this is what I had to order. And this is where this goes. So, like I said, it is a 4-cylinder, but I probably should clean the valve cover or something, but let me just look at this. I think it goes the other way, actually. Yeah, just look at that. I'm pretty sure it goes the other way, but either way, that looks a lot better. I'm probably just gonna put that there. I don't want that getting damaged because that's brand new from the dealer. But let me figure out what I'm gonna do and go from there. See if I can find the correct stuff that they sent me. So, be right back. I'll be right back. Well, guys, looks like I verified the part numbers of the knock sensors and they were in fact misboxed. So it looks like we gotta wait until, sorry, there's like a hornet or something flying around me. It looks like I gotta send the old ones back and wait on my refund, or wait on Rockauto to resend me the correct ones, which sucks because, like I said, I can't get the car 100% completed and get it back on the road like I wanted to do today, because I'd have to pull the intake manifold back off, and it makes 0 sense to pull the, hold on. Oh, I lost it. Oh shit, sorry, I'm like fighting with a hornet right here. Oh, I don't know where he went, but I'm probably about to get stung in like 5 seconds. But this fucking sucks because I can't really, well, I'm not going to, because it would be really dumb of me to put everything back together without it. So I think all we're gonna do today, I'm pretty much probably gonna just do everything except for that. So we can go ahead and get the valve covers done, change the starter out, and I need to find the relay because I want to make sure that I can get the starter to crank. Good. Let's see what else. Well, I'm not even gonna honestly mess with that because there's a bunch of like wires and stuff that it's gonna make a pain in the ass to get back on. No, I can probably I'll just suck it up and do it. Recut the fuel line, and well, I can't even put the fuel line on because it's pointless. So yeah, we're just probably just gonna do valve covers and the lower stuff. So I'll probably take the starter off, which is underneath the squid or underneath all this other shit. Coolant line, this other line, which I don't know what this line goes to. It looks like it runs farther down. I really don't know if it's not, it doesn't go to radio. I don't know where I honestly am not gonna lie to you, I don't know where that one goes. I'm gonna find out. But replace all of this, whatever I can get replaced today. Intake manifold gasket, I'll probably wait because there's zero point of doing that now. And valve covers. So I probably should do spark plugs and wires, to be honest with you. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that since it's gonna be delayed anyway. But I'll probably just order those off Rockauto too. So we're going to FedEx isn't open. No, FedEx? No, I'm not gonna get FedEx deliveries tomorrow. Crap. I'll probably order new plugs and wires from them and get that on the way. So I gotta take off my beautiful BMW cover, as you can see here. How much did I spend on this? I think I spent like 40 bucks or something. No, I don't think it was that much. But I don't want that to get damaged, so we're gonna put this in the passenger seat. Maybe they can get lucky with the seat. I'm not gonna mess with those right now. I'm more focused on this because this is really getting on my nerves. Yeah, we're gonna pull the wires out because I gotta do that. Is there any pain in the ass bolts in the back? No, I think it's on the front. Yeah, just on the front and the sides. So we're gonna go ahead and take the valve cover off and go from there. So I'm gonna put you guys down and get that knocked out. So be right back. Oh, shit. Alright, I don't know how good you guys can see me. I'm about to turn my light off because I got bugs and shit flying around me. Let me see how much room I have in the trunk. I'll probably end up putting all of that stuff in the car, except for the knock sensors, of course, which I'm sending back to Rockauto to get the correct ones. Hopefully they're correct. Like, I know I don't need them, and the car will still run fine without them, but it's one of those things that I don't want to put the car back together and that not be there. Call me, you know, I'm a little bit anal when it comes to stuff like that, especially considering I see it's messed up. So, but alright, you probably can't see me, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean up and get ready to head out. So I'll probably just make this one part of the clip, and then next clip will probably be the next day of me working on it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.